Hello everyone, summer is coming and everyone wears less clothes when going out. At this time, there will be a problem. That is, if you accidentally fall, then you will easily hurt your knee. So how to say and write that I hurt my knee in Chinese? I hurt my knee. Let's go to my pad to show you in details. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my pad. I'll first write it in English. I hurt my knee. I hurt my knee. So in Chinese, we say it and write it with the 我的膝盖受伤了。I hurt my knee. 我的膝盖受伤了。Write it again. 我的膝盖受伤了。I hurt my knee. See you next time. Bye bye.